how to replace the windshield wiper blades on a Subaru Tribeca. I think this is an 06 Tribeca, but I'm sure there's others from Subaru with the same thing. On the old blades, you have to find, you see how these latches are holding the blades on? And then there is at the tip one, so at the very end of the wiper blade, like the one, so here, you pull that out. Then there's little tabs here. And those tabs are on either side of this metal attachment piece there. And you have to pinch those tabs in, and then it frees it up to be able to pull it out. And then once you pull that one out, then you just slide the windshield wiper blade out. And then to install it, it's just the reverse. You have the same piece there. We're going to just find the end with the clips. So there's the end with the clips. Same clips on a new one. Hey guys. And then we're just going to slide it on the same way that the other one was on. Right, well, I'm not going to film that, but that's how you do a windshield wiper blade replacement on a Subaru Tribeca. At least that's the tricky part.